For all Zontes 310 models, change your front sprocket. More speed, 8 km/h, 6 mph difference. In each gear, more top speed.
Hello everybody, welcome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I have changed my front sprocket to a 15 tooth and my rear sprocket down from a 42 tooth to a 40 tooth. So my front one I did the weekend. It's normally a 14 tooth sprocket, it's now a 15 tooth sprocket. So I'm just going to let you see, not losing any torque or anything like that. But I am now doing 55 miles an hour at 4,500 RPM. See that? 4,500 RPM. That's a loss of 1,000 RPM in each gear. So elongating the gears, making it better. So look, I'm doing 54 miles an hour and I'm only doing 4,500 revs. I would normally be doing 5,500 revs. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get the 15 tooth front sprocket from instead of the basic 14 tooth, and that's for all models. You can put the 15 tooth front sprocket on all models from 2019 to 2022 on the 310 range, any of the 310 range. I'll leave a link to that for you. Especially on the colour TFT model range, you can't alter the back sprocket. There isn't a back sprocket to alter the gearing. There's only the front sprocket, which is one more tooth, the 15 tooth version. Both myself, I've done it now, and one of my fellow YouTube subscribers also has done it, and he says yep, it's brilliant on his TFT brand new 2022 model bike. He's changed it to a 15 tooth front sprocket and he's losing 600 RPM in each gear, so he's gaining extra speed as well in each gear, but for top cruising etc it's a lot better. And on my bike now, because I've altered the back and the front sprockets, my gearing is now 1,000 RPM less for the speed in each gear, which is brilliant. Just a quick video for you there. I'll leave a link in the description for the place where you can get the 15 tooth front sprocket. Like I said, both two of us now tried it and ordered it and got it and received it and fitted it, and it's brilliant. It will reduce your RPM, making it more economical etc, and elongate your gears to make more speed in each gear. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this little short video. Like I say, I'll leave the link in the description for the rear sprocket, that if you've got a 2019 bike you can order 40 tooth instead of 42, but if you have a 2020, 2021, 2022 bike with a colour TFT screen, you can only alter the front sprocket and make it a 15 tooth instead of a 14 tooth. But even on the colour TFT screens you will save yourself 600 RPM in each gear, making it a nicer, easier ride. That's all for now. Thank you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please like the videos, it's important, and please hit that bell notification icon should I say, because that will allow you to show you when I'm uploading videos, so you don't have to keep looking for the channel. It will get an information to your Gmail or your inbox. Right, thank you for watching. Tatty bye for now. This is MICK signing off.